What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today is January 7th, 2022. It's Friday. I picked this up on the 6th, which was yesterday. It was Thursday. I went to Home Depot. We're going to show you guys what I picked up, why I picked them up. We'll go over them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, like I said, today is January 7th, 2022. It's a Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. I picked this up at Home Depot yesterday, which was the 6th. It was Thursday. After I got some tires put on rows and alignment done, I also went to AutoZone, and I even went to Lowe's with my wife after she got off work, which is a bunch of these grayish bags. But I also am going to have to go to Youngtown, Arizona next Friday. Going to be going and picking up a couple snap-on tools for the service truck. So there's actually two different purchases, but I'm just gonna throw for AutoZone or Home Depot. I'm just gonna throw them all in the same thing. So this is a single Klein item I picked up. Klein tools. Product number is 305 Charlie Robert. It is the auto style crimpers. These were $30.36 with tax, so it's $27.97 plus $2.39 in tax. It's that, and then this wrinkled up receipt. The receipt came out like this. Other than the wrinkling, it was probably a little less wrinkly, but so I picked up a couple riveters and some rivets. So I picked up this style, which I didn't even notice this when I grabbed it. It says free storage caddy with purchase and online review. Purchase this tool, go to aerofasteners.com, write a review, get a free storage caddy. Storage caddy looks like it's for staples, not rivets. But so I got this little guy. This one is product number. Item number is Robert Tony 187 Mary or RT187M. The reason I grabbed this one because it does short, medium, and long for 3/30 seconds or 2 millimeter. Does short, medium, and long for 1/8 or 3 millimeter. It does short, medium, and long for 5/30 seconds or 4 millimeter. And it does short, medium, and long for 3/16 or 5 millimeter for aluminum rivets. And it does, for steel rivets, it does 3/30 second or 2 millimeter. It does 1/8 or 3 millimeter. And it does 5/30 second or 4 millimeter. And this one in aluminum does the 3/16 5 millimeter, but it does short, medium, and long for all of them. So I grabbed this guy. I grabbed some packages of rivets. These are all 1/8 rivets. I got a bulk pack of 50 of the 3/16 rivets. I got a 100 pack of the 1/8 rivets as well as the bulk pack, and then the bag is empty. And then I also grabbed this bigger kit, which has the 360 pivoting head. So this one comes with 100 assorted rivets, 4 drill bits, 1 rivet tool, and custom molded case. But this one shows 3/30 seconds or 2 millimeter, 1/8 or 3 millimeter, 5/30 seconds or 4 millimeter, and 3/16 5mm, but it only shows medium. It doesn't show short, medium, and long. And this comes with a 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, 3/16 drill bit. Oh, it actually does show up here, short, medium, and long. Okay, 3/32 for aluminum, 3/32 or 2mm, short, medium, long. 1/8 or 3mm, short, medium, long. 5/32, 4mm, short, medium, and long. And 3/16, 5mm, short, medium, and long. And still is the same as this one, is what it looks like. 3/32, 1/8, and 5/32, yep. So I didn't need to grab this one, which is no big deal because this one is a little bit more compact. It's not as big, as you can tell. It's actually a little bit smaller. So it's not going to hurt to have two. My wife can use one if she needs to use it. And this one of these, I'm probably going to throw this one in the service truck just in case it's needed. This one is, item number is Robert Tony 187 Sam Henry Kilo, or RT187 SHK. And this one is RT187M. So it's nice. Comes with a little kit. I could throw some of these extra rivets in here. But I didn't really notice this up here. I didn't think this one did short, medium, and long, but it does. It does the exact same as this one. This one just has the pivoting head, and I'll show you guys. And move the rivets out of the way. Get the cutter, and we'll open them up. On the floor for now. That's this one right here. And you can see this one is pretty small compared to the case. It's got a little handle guide, keeps the handle there. Very nice spring retention, it's very smooth. You can service these handles as well. Just pop the little C-style clips off. It's got storage. These tips are actually threaded, so they don't just like for these rivet guns. You don't literally just push it in and it stays. You know, you don't have to worry about them falling off. You just unthread them from their mounts if you need to change heads. And these are very easy to distinguish. The rivets, big giant yellow symbol. So if you pick up a package of red rivets, blue, yellow, or green, it will be indicated on here, yellow. This one right here is green. So it tells you what head you need. This one is green. So the green head is automatically installed on the tip. That's the size that you need. And these come in handy when you need to, you know, rivet something, especially on vehicles. This guy right here, this has a little zip tie. Here's this guy, blue, yellow, red, and green. It does come with a little bit of each. So green, blue, so that's nice. Just have little plastic covers just covering them, red and yellow. Here is your drill bits for the common sizes that you'd use this tool for. Let's see. It is a little bit smaller. Not a lot. A little bit. This one does not fit in this case. This one does. So, not a big deal though, but this one has the 360-degree head. So if you need to be more flush, you can go like that. You can use the head at this angle as well. You can see it retracts. Moves in and out. So that is a nice feature. You can use it in other directions. Does not have to be used at either this direction or upside down. You could use it at lots of different angles, which will come in handy when I'm, need to reinstall fender skirting, or on, Hondas are most common, that in the back. Hondas and Jeeps, example, the little cargo tie-down cleats. A lot of old Jeep XJs have them where they're riveted to the floor and they're weaved into the carpet, so you gotta drill the rivets out to pull those off, and then move the carpet so that you can get to the service hatch for the gas tank. So if you don't want to drop the gas tank, you can pull the sending unit out of the cargo trunk area, and they require rivets. There's a lot of things on vehicles people don't realize. Lots of vehicles have rivets. These are the same. They thread onto the tip. The mount areas are threaded. So these are, looks more than likely they're going to have the exact same. The tips on this guy are a little bit shorter is what it looks like. Just a tiny amount shorter. Can you use... Doesn't feel like the same thread either. It might be different threads, to be honest. Nope, they're the same thread on the main unit, so you can use the tips from this. So say you break one of your tips or something, or it's not working quite as well. They are stamped 2.4 millimeter, 3/32, 3.2 or 1/8 because that's green. 2.4, 3/32. The stamping, it looks a little bit better on this one for the tips. The cone is a little bit short on this guy. And it does, this one came off this tool, it does thread in. Feels like the threads are a little bit dirty on this one. Like they weren't cut very well. Might be just that tip. Yeah, this one's a little bit long. Thread's pretty nice though. But picked up a couple rivet guns to have. I do know that I need to do some riveting on some custom repairs I'm going to do to the Excursion. They have those little Velcro straps that don't ever work. I'm going to rivet a couple mounts into the carpeting. That way I can attach some buttons and just attach it with buttons, because on the Excursion it's got that little walking platform that you could put down for the third row seat. It's on the second row back seat. On the back of it, it's got a platform, wooden platform that folds up and down, that's got carpet on it. And what that does is when you slide the seat forward and people want to get into the third row to sit on the third row bench, they can use that as a platform to walk on. and that is common. The Velcro straps don't hold up and they fall apart, and you end up having to replace that and or try to find, you know, a repair for it, which are not easy to find, especially because it's a Ford. And most people just cut the straps off and put buttons on them like I'm going to do. And then this is that little Klein kit. The little Klein crimper, auto crimper. Cut this open. Klein usually, I'm the end of 2021, the beginning of 2022 right now. I've been buying a lot of Klein stuff. They've been holding up extremely well, especially service truck, especially on the service truck. This has got your information. I usually will just keep this in a folder just in case it's needed. But this is a ratcheting crimper. So you put, you know, it's got your yellow, blue, and red with your crimping dies. There are Astro, Pneumatics, and a few other companies. You can buy these online where they got replaceable jaws. And this does have a Phillips head on each side. Looks like you can change the jaws out. So it might work with my Astro Pneumatic kit. And it auto crimps. And then when you get to the very end, you squeeze, it drops the lock down, and it reopens. So that's the way this works. So there's this little lock. Let me show you guys. This lock right here. So when you squeeze hard enough, it drops the lock down, it reopens the pliers. So I have the Astromatic kit. Just was looking for another one to throw in a different service vehicle. It's well oiled. The grips are nice and comfortable. Squeeze it pretty tight. The lock slides down. Put it back in position. The lock comes back up and auto locks. So I picked those up. That's all I got for you guys today, though. I picked up some rivets. You know, maybe I will show you guys what my plans are for my personal project in the future. But that's all I got for you guys today. It's just a quick video, small little haul. Picked up a few items. I do appreciate you guys all stopping by. You guys let me know what you guys use rivet guns for. You know, another thing you can use them for is toolbox slides. These are rivets on some toolboxes. You can see there's a rivet right there. Right there. They do have rivets in these. So, you know, I can always use it to repair rivets in toolboxes and stuff like that as well. You know, I got it for, one, for personal use. This little one's probably going to be for personal use. This one, the bigger kit's going to go into the service truck because it's got its own little case. I can throw, you know, I could take, you know, 50 out of this box, throw them in here in a little baggie. Know that I have, you know, I can keep refilling these little baggies and just keep putting it back in the service truck. This is just a 1/8. This was $9. You know, these weren't really expensive. So $30 for this guy, which used to be $28. This small one, this little one that just came with the rivet gun by itself, that one is $27, $47, and then this box of aluminum, yellow aluminum, 3/16. They were $6.58. Oh no, they were $6.90. Little green box of 1/2 inch. Or 1/8 inch, I'm sorry. Were $6.58. And then $9.87 was for this assortment pack. They weren't really expensive. And then these Klein pliers were $27. They were $30 with tax. That's all I got for you guys today, though. I do hope the video has been helpful. I'm not sure why the camera is tilted. But that is everything I picked up. A couple rivet guns, some rivets, and a auto crimper from Klein. I've been wanting to look at this for a while. Wanted to test this one out, compare it to the Astro Pneumatic version. The Astro Pneumatic version comes with several different jocks. So this is for insulated only, which will always have the colored little plastic cover over them. That's insulated. Non-insulated will not have a plastic cover or anything over them. So this only comes with the insulated jaws. So I'd have to find out, you know, maybe the Astro Pneumatic jaws will fit in here. Who knows? We'll give it a try. There's a little bit grease on them. I cleaned my hands the best I could, but you know, it's not really easy to get grease off your hands. I probably had a little bit residual grease on my hands from working today. But that's all I got. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. You know, leave comments down below. What do you guys use rivet guns for? Do you have this, either one of these rivet guns? What do you like about them? What do you dislike about them? Have you ever had to replace the jaws? Not replace the, or the, yeah, I guess you can call them the jaws, the little thread-on jaws. You know, what do you guys leave in comments? What do you use them for? Do you use them for something specific? You know, do you use them for building wood cabinets and you put, you know, little hooks or hangers on your cabinets, or what do you guys use them for? You know, get the comments in the comment section going, you know, about all the different ways you can use rivet guns. It'll help other people out. If you guys see this video, you'll leave a comment on what you use them for. I do appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And one last thing, this was not purchased with YouTube money. This came out of my own pocket. Needed it for service calls and other things. So that's all I got for you guys. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!